Hello everybody, this is slate puzzle. So in this slate puzzle we learn tables. So in these tables we learn 2 table and 3 table. So let's learn 2 table. Are you ready kids? Okay, let's start. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Next 3 table. Are you ready kids? Let's start 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixths are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Are you like this video? Please subscribe to Vishal Kids Fun.